Hey guys, it's Monique from NowYou'reCooking.ca. Today we're making Jamaican Saltfish Fritters. This is also known as stamp and go. The story is back in the day people would stamp their feet because they were in a hurry for a snack, then go on their merry way once they got it. Here are all the ingredients you need for one of Jamaica's original fast foods. All-purpose flour, a large tomato, couple stalks of scallions or green onions, water, salted codfish, a large egg, finely diced Scotch bonnet pepper, ground black pepper, salt, dried thyme leaves, and baking powder. A full list of measurements are in the link posted in the description box below. You could buy salted cod from most grocery stores. I like to buy the one that has already been deboned and cut into bits. It saves a lot of time because impaling your gums with bone slivers is no fun, trust me. Since all the moisture has been extracted from the fish through the use of salt, it needs to be rehydrated. Putting the saltfish in a bowl of water and storing it in the fridge overnight helps. But I prefer to boil it on the stove for a few minutes, at least twice, by replacing with fresh water each time. Afterwards, be sure to taste a bit of the saltfish to make sure that it's salty enough for your liking. Flake with a fork or pull apart with your fingers into smaller pieces. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, the thyme, the baking powder, the ground black pepper, and the salt. Make sure all those dry ingredients are mixed in well. Then you're going to add in your tomatoes and scallions and continue mixing. Add in the star ingredient, the drained salted codfish. Now I know what you're thinking, but Monique, isn't that too much filling for the fritters? It's not, trust me. Don't forget your hot pepper, but you could leave this out if you're a wuss when it comes to spicy foods. Now we're ready for our wet ingredients. Beat the water and the egg together. Traditionally, my mom never used any eggs in this recipe, but the fritters taste just as good without it. I like the addition of the egg because it helps with the structure and adds to the crispy coating. Mix it in with your dry ingredients. Your batter needs to be thick, but not too thick. You're looking for something a little thicker than pancake batter. If it's too thin, it won't hold its shape in the frying pan. Add in a bit more water if you need to in order to achieve the right consistency. This is about the consistency that you're looking for. Pour in enough oil to cover the bottom of your frying pan. Over medium heat, drop the fritter batter in by large spoonfuls. The cooking time depends on the size. I used about 2 tablespoons per fritter here, and I let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once you see the edges turn golden brown, carefully flip them over and continue cooking the other side. When these are done, even though they might look uncooked on the inside when you cut into it, it's fine to eat. Just make sure there's no batter dripping out. Have a plate lined with paper towel ready because these need to drain a bit. And that's it. Serve these hot with a bit of pepper jelly for dipping and you're in for a tasty snack. Crispy, chewy, and full of flavor, these Jamaican saltfish fritters make a great breakfast or appetizer. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments once you've tried it or if there are similar ways of making it in your culture. I'd love to learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You could also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. For the full recipe, check out my website at NowYou'reCooking.ca. Bye-bye.